if your Xbox Series X is crashing, it can be frustrating, but there are several steps you can take to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. Follow these steps to help fix the crashing problem. Step 1. Restart your console. Power off your Xbox Series X completely by holding the power button for 10 seconds. Wait a moment, then turn it back on. This can clear temporary glitches causing crashes. Step 2. Check for system updates. Go to the Settings menu and select System. Then choose Updates to check if there are any available updates for your console. Keeping your system updated can resolve many issues. Step 3. Clear the cache. To clear the cache, power off the console and unplug it from the power source. Wait for at least 10 seconds before plugging it back in and turning it on. This can help eliminate corrupted data. Step 4. Uninstall problematic games. If the crashing occurs while playing a specific game, try uninstalling and then reinstalling that game. This can fix any corrupted game files that may be causing the crashes. Step 5. Factory reset. If none of the previous steps work, consider performing a factory reset. Go to Settings, select System, then Console Info, and choose Reset Console. Make sure to back up your data, as this will erase everything. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the crashing issue on your Xbox Series X. If problems persist, consider contacting Xbox support for further assistance.